Hey, welcome back. This is Math, Chapter 4, Inquiry Lab, before Lesson 6. How can a bar diagram help you understand what it means to divide fractions? Juan is building a set for the school musical. He has a 3-foot board that he needs to equally divide into 1/2 foot pieces. How many pieces will he have after he cuts the board? Remember, we want to read our word problems about 3 times every time. So the first time I read it, it's just for the gist. The second time I'm reading it, I'm looking for what are the numbers comparing. So what do I know? I know that he has a 3-foot board that he needs to equally divide into 1/2 foot pieces. What do I need to find? I need to find how many pieces will he have after he cuts the board. Juan is building a set for the school musical. He has a 3-foot board that he needs to equally divide into 1/2 foot pieces. How many pieces will he have after he cuts the board? Draw a model that represents the length of the board. Draw lines to separate the board into thirds. Each third represents 1 foot. Divide each foot into halves. So how many halves will he have after he cuts the boards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you cut a 3-foot board into 1/2 foot pieces, you will get 6 pieces. 3 divided by 1/2 equals 6. Determine how many groups of 1/2 are in 3. Circle the groups that are the size of the divisor 1/2. There are 6 groups of 1/2, so 3 divided by 1/2 equals 6. 6 times 1/2 equals 3. Check. 4 divided by 2/3. The model represents 4. Divide each whole number into thirds, each whole. So we see that here's a whole and they've divided into 3 pieces. The second whole, the third, and the fourth. So the whole bar represents 4 whole, and we've divided each whole into thirds. Circle groups of 2/3 on the model. So 2 out of 3, 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 2 out of 3. 2/3 on the model. Think, how many groups of 2/3 are in 4? There are 6 groups of 2/3. So 4 divided by 2/3 equals 6. 6 times 2/3 equals 4. We check our answer by doing the inverse operation. 2 divided by 3/4. The model represents 2. They divide each whole into fourths. Determine how many groups of 3/4 are in 2. Circle groups of 3/4 on the model. There are 2 groups of 3/4 and 2/3 of a group left over. So 2 divided by 3/4 equals 2 and 2/3. 2 and 2/3 times 3/4 equals 2. 2 groups of 3/4, and then there's 2 pieces that are thirds left over. How can a bar diagram help you understand what it means to divide fractions? That's all for now.